retaining the originality of Kerala culture and holding its heritage close to its bosom, flows the famous Vannapatnam River. Upholding the traditional values and customs in the very soil of Parassini Kadavu and celebrating 50 years of making significant changes in the lifestyle and standards of ordinary people. Recognized with the ISO and ISI awards, the company has been producing excellent Sulfex products that have got rave reviews both nationally and internationally. Blending with the Western culture, Sulfex mattresses are extensively used in Japan, North-South Korea, Malaysia and Maldives. Due to its natural and highly beneficial properties, European countries are now seeking out Sulfex mattresses for a healthy living. It is a matter of honor that these mattresses are able to provide our Indian armed forces with the much needed solace in their occasional moments of rest. In the field of nursing, these mattresses have created a comfort for the bedridden patients. The products are made using German technology and German machinery. Use of fine quality raw materials have made Sulfex mattresses durable and trustworthy in the field of mattress production. Only Sulfex mattress can lay claim to the use of HSLP technology. Nestled between the Paidal Hills lies 7.5 acres of land that is solely used for the production of Sulfex mattress. This factory, under a single ownership, is run under the supervision of skilled technicians who have been given ample training in this field. Sulfex Mattress is proud of the fact that the products are produced in 3 shifts and uses 50% manpower and 50% machinery. Every day, 10 tons of output, that is 2,000 mattresses, is made in this factory. The oil is heated at a high temperature in the boiler using rubber wood. The oil is used as a fuel for all the machines in this factory, thereby initiating the whole production process. The heat and temperature of all machines are self-controlled. The first process is to collect natural raw materials from places like Lakshadweep, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. From this collection, raw materials are thoroughly inspected and the coir is shifted to the drying chamber to remove the moisture at 20 degrees Celsius. After the drying process, the coir is taken from the drying chamber through the rope twisting machine to shape it to curled fiber. After this, with the help of the fiber tank, the sheet is sent through the vertical conveyor belt into the sheet plant. Finally, the dust and water products and moisture are finally vacuumed using this heavy dust collecting system, which is a German technology, thereby making this a specialty of Sulfex Mattress. This helps not only increase the quality of the product, but also cleans the environmental conditions of the factory. As a result of these processes, customers who use Sulfex mattresses do not come across any physical discomfort or loss of heat. The pure latex mixing is completed in a duration of 16 hours. The product is again tested for quality. Further, mixture of China clay and pure latex is sprinkled through HSLP technology. The other side of the mattress is also sprayed using the same HSLP technology. Later, the product which comes through the first roller is cut using PLC technology, which works like an automatic cutting machine. Here, each layer of mattress is set according to its density. The speciality of Sulfex mattress is that they use this layer of sheet completely for the production purposes. It is then passed through drum press. The latex that is lost when it passes through the drum press is hand sprayed on both sides. These processes play a vital role in retaining its quality. The final pressing is done through oil heating with the aid of hydraulic press. This product is called bare block. After cutting and shaping the edges of the bare block, gunny cloth is used for side walling. The bare blocks made using gunny cloth, which is used for side walling, are vulcanized using vulcanizer. Further, it is again tested for its quality. These vulcanized bare blocks are shifted to the B block, which is the furnishing area of the plant. It is in the B block that the mattress is branded. They are branded according to the different types of form and bare density. Latex, soft. Memory, slow action stimuli. Gel, room temperature is balancing bed temperature. This highly developed machine can create 1000 designs, which is used to quilt the mattress. After quilting, the tab edges are prepared using German technology. Lastly, the mattress that reaches the packing section undergoes the sealing process. That is, its edges are capped and the center is tagged. The product reaches the dispatch section after completing the product details like warranty, price label, etc.
A very special greetings to all our national and international viewers of this documentary. We have started our business in 1992 and this 2017 we are celebrating as Silver Jubilee year of our company. We are very proud of it and also we are very much enjoying this year. We are very much proud of saying that we have been approved by most of the international and national standards, and above that, above all, we have been approved by Indian military force, and it is a very prestigious moment for us. Now we are ready to offer our quality products to the world after upgrading our quality as well as technology as part of our Prime Minister's Make in India program. We don't believe in mere turnover or profit, but we believe in a good quality product at an affordable price to be enjoyed by all.
The feather on its cap is the fact that it has been awarded the Best Consumer Award and also the Best Kerala Small Scale Industry Award. It was also recognized as the best eco-friendly bed in international exhibitions. This company from North Malabar is setting new standards in the field of mattress production. The company, which fulfills its social commitment, has now successfully completed 25 years and has made a remarkable presence in the Gulf countries as well as Asian European countries. The company envisions to provide good quality mattresses all over India and to reach out to each and every individual at an affordable price. Its motto is to create one India, one society and one single mattress, which is Sulfex.